Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card in your Samsung A41. To this operation you should have this special key which should be inserted on the left side here. Thick. And you should be inserted the SIM 1 here, SIM 2 here, and the memory card gonna be placed here. Like this. Okay. And now we need to insert it into a phone. Okay, thick, and voila, phone gonna be see the network, both of it, and the memory card indeed, as you see. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.